Hello guys. Pahinga muna tayo guys. Pahinga muna dito sa Araneta Avenue, Barangay Santol. Pahinga muna dahil break time pa eh. Break time pa guys. Break time pa guys. Dito sa ano? Dito sa Brixton Hill Corner, Landargon Streets, Araneta Avenue, Quezon City. Ayan o, Barangay Santol, Barangay Santol. Alright guys, thank you for watching here in Araneta Avenue, Quezon City. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. God bless.